Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about human interest stories. So, human interest stories are people sharing their unique stories in an interesting and emotional way. So, at the heart of any human interest story is the people. Yeah, whatever the story may be, maybe it is about the tale of human achievement, acts of bravery, yeah, anything funny stories, unsung heroes, victims, whatever the case may be, the focus is on always on the person and their lives. The benefit of telling such a story is that the reader can connect to the story and feel the emotions of the story. Yeah, the good human interest story will spark anger, empathy, sympathy, compassion, fear, love, laughter, motivation and what not. So, you need not tap all the emotion at a stretch. If it is possible for you to tap one or two emotions, and you are bound to have a successful human interest story. So, the whole fundamental objective is to move someone with the story. The desire to relate to the real stories and real people has always been an important and continues to resonate in the people's mind. Yeah, this is an image of a small town in Paman Island called Dhanushkodi. It got totally destroyed in 1964 in Rameshwaram cyclone. So, even till date people are interested to know about the place and to know about the lives of the people who lived there on the time of cyclone. So, they are always interested to know and listen to stories like that. So, why human interest story is very important? Yeah, the personal and very intimate angle allows readers to engage with the story and feel something about it. Yeah, if the story is sad, you want the readers to be sad, and if the story is happy, you want the readers to feel happy. So, a good human interest story breaks down the barriers and allows people to connect to the story through the emotions. So, this is an image of Winnie Blackden who lived in a small town called Sheffield in England. Yeah, she was all alone after she lost her husband, and on her 100th birthday, BBC Radio Sheffield, what they did is they made an appeal to the listeners of BBC. Yeah, the appeal went viral and she received more than 16,000 cards and several prizes on the occasion of the 100th birthday. So, you can imagine how happy she would have felt. Okay. She was all alone for years and suddenly she got so many cards from various parts of the countries and various parts of the world actually. Yeah, she received all these cards from US, Australia, Romania, Japan and New Zealand. A good human interest story is universal. Yeah. And this is an image of 19-year-old cancer patient called Stephen. Yeah, his story got published in Daily Mirror. The story had a bucket list of his ambitions he wanted to achieve before he died. And his emotional case inspired a lot of donations and support from various parts of the world, and he received totally 4.5 million pounds. And this amount, some of this amount he started donating for other cancer patients as well. So, this case inspired other cancer sufferers also. So, how to write a human interest story? So, you know the structure of a news story. So, you know about inverted pyramid style. So, in a news story, the whole crunch is given in the lead itself. The lead answers 5 W's and 1 H. Yeah, there is no suspense in the news story. But in human interest story, as you go down in the paragraphs, the story slowly unfolds. So, the structure is totally different from a news story. And also, in a human interest story, the facts and data takes a pavilion seat. Yeah. So, the emotional aspect is the preference in human interest stories. So, if you got an interest in the people and then you can find stories about people that other people want to read about. They will also want to hear or listen to the interesting story. Yeah, everyone has got a story to tell, yeah, however big or small. So, the writers and journalists has to tap them with the right questions to bring out the real life stories in them. So, at its best, a human interest story can inspire, arouse, motivate and educate, spark discourse and create values. Thank you.